Freedom of speech is a fundamental right that protects individuals' right to express their opinions, thoughts, ideas, and beliefs without fear of censorship or punishment by the government or other authorities. It is a cornerstone of democratic societies and is often enshrined in constitutional or legal frameworks. The concept of freedom of speech is based on the belief that individuals should have the liberty to express themselves, share information, engage in public debate, criticize the government, and contribute to the marketplace of ideas. It encompasses various forms of expression, including spoken or written words, artistic works, symbolic actions, and even non-verbal forms of communication. Freedom of speech does not imply an absolute and unlimited right to say anything without consequences. There are commonly recognized limitations on free speech, such as when it incites violence, poses a direct threat to public safety, constitutes defamation or slander, or infringes on the rights and dignity of others. These limitations often vary across legal systems and are subject to interpretation and balancing with other societal interests, such as protecting public order, national security, or preventing hate speech or discrimination. In democratic societies, the protection of freedom of speech is vital for fostering open dialogue, promoting diversity of opinions, enabling social progress, and holding governments accountable. The challenge lies in finding the right balance between protecting free speech and preventing harm or abuses. Advocates for freedom of speech argue that open dialogue and the free exchange of ideas are crucial for social progress, innovation, and the functioning of a healthy democracy. They believe that allowing diverse and even controversial viewpoints to be expressed fosters intellectual development, challenges existing norms, and facilitates positive change. On the other hand, proponents of some restrictions on speech argue that certain forms of expression, such as hate speech or speech that incites violence, can have serious negative consequences on individuals or marginalized groups. They believe that limiting such speech is necessary to prevent harm, protect human dignity, and maintain social harmony. It's important to note that the concept of controlling speech should always be approached cautiously, with respect for fundamental human rights, democratic principles, and the rule of law. Transparency, accountability, and checks and balances are crucial to ensure that any limitations on freedom of speech are reasonable, proportionate, and do not unduly suppress legitimate expression or undermine democratic values. Thank you for listening. WhangareiTim.